What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. It's holiday season, guys, and I've got the perfect gift idea for mom, dad, husband, and wife. Hell, even the kids can use it. I want to introduce STEELMADE USA Grill. It turns your stovetop into a flat top in just a matter of seconds, guys. But it's a heck of an investment. You'll love it. All you have to do is watch the video to the very end. Make sure you click on the link, first link in my description, and that takes you over to STEELMADE USA. Use that coupon code at checkout to get 10% off. I am an affiliate, so it does help me a little bit, and it helps my YouTube channel. You'll absolutely love it. And all the food that you see in this video, I've cooked on this griddle. So it's time proven, tested. It's a wonderful product, guys. Enjoy your holidays. Go pick up one of these grills. And this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.
Hey Santa Claus, you forgot me last year. I had fresh baked cookies and food for the reindeer. Hey Santa Claus, remember when I was 9, they told me you wasn't real. I told them stop lying, I believe in you. But hey, dear kids, this Christmas I need my Christmas gift from my Christmas list. Please give me something, cause I deserve something. Couldn't you give me something so mama can quit hustling?
Hey baby girl, have Santa sent some mistletoe with ya.